You see it's like colorful? Huh? I want to bring Louie over here. Yeah, because they have a dog right there, and I want to bring Louis. You know, he has a leash. He has a body, a card. What do you call it? The lanyard on his body. And I got him a leash too. But I don't use a leash, but like, and you can put an air tag on it, like, because I don't know where I was gonna move, so he doesn't get lost. That looks so cool, right? And my hair is like blue. Hello, beautiful. It's like a dream. Yeah, it's like a dream. Look at the umbrella. It's a filter. I know. It's like another one.
Thing one. Thing one. And thing two.
I want one of those boats. I want to get one of those boats and then have them on, like, be on the back.
My teeth is going again back to where it was.
Oh, yeah,
I could tell.
because you're still young. Was it because right away you lost your retainer or what?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh my god, you look funny on here.
Mine did too. Maybe it's just a filter then. Is it just a filter then? Because I'm like, well.
The what? I think it's a filter because
Oh,
my
my
teeth.
teeth are
I
blue.
did a little crooked. That looks scary.
Let's be present though, because Joel's be present with